ushering in much colder air again. Temperatures in the 20s for lows and 40s for highs return as we head into the weekend. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the southern Illinois area. Rest of today, sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 30s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain in the morning, then rain likely in the afternoon. Breezy with highs in the upper 50s. This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. When there is a threat of, or existing severe weather, the test is postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, may occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting locations in portions of West Kentucky, Southeast Missouri, Southern Illinois, Southwest Indiana, and Northwest Tennessee. This concludes this test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. We now return to our regular programming.